nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. On my kitchen table I have a UFO or something like this. I don't know what's happened with this, but this is a wonderful piece of technique. I don't know from which time, but look at this BOSE. Unbelievable. And interest-wise, the knob here is the lift for the CD tray. Hey, cool. It's unbelievable. Also, disc is here. Yeah, wonderful. It's a wonderful machine, but it doesn't work. What can that be? First of all, we would like to connect this plug. I would like to show you the back side first, that you can imagine what happened with this. Look, you have a tuner inside and also AM loop, system control, in and out, power on off. Here you have a connector with 12 volts and 1 ampere. And then you hear speakers. Maybe they have active speakers. They are not here. Amplifier not inside. And it's from September. You can read this. It's a little bit hard to read. September, maybe in the shadow. September 1993. 1993. We have 23. Oh, this seems 30 years. But it's a really modern design. Okay, you have here a phono connector. You can here connect your earphones, headphones, whatever. Now we would like to asking what's happened with this, and here we have the plug. This is the BOSE plug. Here you have the company, and it's 12 volts and 1800 milliamps. This is well over, and with international connector. This you can pick up this, push to lift up this. Look, here is the connection. Super. Now we connect it to the mains and we have a watch on it. What's happened with it? It's nothing. CD. No CD. Maybe on off. I don't know how it works. I think so. On is if you press here, then it's on, and if you press off, then it's off. It's very simple to use. It's a good concept. Yeah. Yes. I disconnected from the mains, and we would like to have the open and have a watch inside. Look on the other side, and where are the screws? The interest. Here we have screws, and here not. I think so. I must open this from here, from this side. But first we disconnect it from all the interest stuff here, from the electronics, and we open it. We have the position, and that was my first. High fidelity from BOSE that I have my own PA system, and this PA system is also from BOSE. I have a 802 Series 6. But what is the name of this UFO? Standing nothing on it. It's a BOSE Lifestyle Model 5 Music Center. A music center. Okay. Ago 30 years we have music center. No earpods and stuff like this. If you are rich, you buy a system like this. In case of this, is very. I think so. It's expensive, and how I can open it? That's the next question. Should we open it here? It's interesting. How we can open this? I don't know. All screws what I found are open. And now, maybe we must remove the side parts. Oh, here. It's maybe under it, under these feet now. I don't think so. This is interesting. How to open this? Little bit. Maybe I can little bit lift it a little bit. No, no way. It's maybe here the Schnappi. Aha, here are Schnappis. Here are Schnappis, and maybe this is to open it. Here are the two Schnappis, or more Schnappi. We have two Schnappis here and two Schnappis here. Okay, maybe we must push it in, but it's dangerous in case of the old plastic part. They don't say how to open it. This is maybe it's inside here. This is a screw, no? Or under this feeds the screws. It can also be. These are knobs. Oh, it's a knob. It's a complete knob. And this cannot open here or here. Is that possible to put it here? No. We don't would like to make it defect. No, it's not. It's not. It's must be here. This is interesting. And how to open this? I don't know how I can open it. It's it's the top. Maybe the top is gone away if I click this here. No, it's no way. Oh yes, it's this click, but so hard to click. I mean, oops, not bad. Click. You must do this click, and then dangerous. Oh, super! Hey, look this. Look at this. Is this super? You have this UFO snapped in front. It's here snapped in, and then you fold it out. Super. Fantastic. Here is the spring. This spring is for the metal shielded. It's connected with the tuner. But this is a cool part. The plastic is not destroyed and nothing. You have two screws and snap. Not bad. Look inside this machine. It's not bad. And the other also going out by a Schnappi. Don't know. Oops. I think it's the same technique like this. Schnappi. And what's happened? Oops. Okay, it's the same technique like this. We must also do this a little bit. It's not so easy to bring that out. Knack. Not funny. This is not so funny, but the idea is good from the concept. Look, it's it's only snapped in. Okay, this is, you must know this. Look, also total plastic parts, and yeah, it's a good construction. Yeah, if you know that, if it's open, it is very easy to open it. Yes, and the Phillips, it's not a Phillips drive, it's a something drive. Oh my gosh, the things are jumping in, and we must fix that first with the. Not so easy to understand now, but okay, we have that. I take my pincet and bring that back in position. I think so it was so and so, but somebody was in before me. I'll tell you that why. In case of this canopy falling down like here. So. You see the plasticky parts? The plasticky parts, and now we have a interesting. These are falling apart. Maybe I'm guilty for that, but for this, no. It comes out. It jumps around. Look at this. Look, so super. And now we give it back in position. I hope so. This is correct. So super. Now we must know why the power supply is not working or so. Maybe there are the stabilizers defect or so. We must know that. Also this here is maybe a backlight or what? No, it's a tube. It's a tube. This is a tube. We must measure from outside to outside. This is the first what we're gonna do, and check up why it is so dark. Yeah? Put it in, and now we must have here cool. Step we have done, and we Word is good. We measure it. You can see it here. You can see it here. It's good for you to see. We must go a little bit here to see that good. The first what we're gonna do, we measure outside. I don't remember, was it AC or was it DC? I don't remember it. Maybe it's AC. And the AC is not here. Very funny. No power supply. What can it be? First we measure here a little bit inside the machine. What can it be? Ground is mostly this metal here. And we measure first here. Yeah, 12 volts, okay, we measure 12 volts, good, and here, 12 volts, and here, 12 volts, and here, 11 volts, okay, 12 volts, 12 volts, 11 volts, 12 volts, and here, 11, 7 volts, what is here? We measure nothing, and what is this? This is a LM7808. Measure here nothing. VR1. What means this? 0 volt, and on this side 0 volt. And this is 11 volt and then 0 volt. Why? Why this is so? Interesting. How can that be? 11 volt in the middle, and in the middle is 0 volt. And then the outside is 8 volt. 8 volt, it's on the outside, okay. And then here 10 volts. What is this? This is a LM. Cannot read this. It's LM341. LM341. How is the LM341? The input 10 volts. In the middle 0 volts. The output 5 volts. Okay. Okay, and 5 volts. And here 5 volt in. This here I cannot measure. This is interesting. What I found out is I take a CD, yeah, interest, and put the stickers on it, glue stickers, and now we press it on here. We glue it on this, okay, and now I interrupt that. Oh, it's not so good, huh? It's we have a small problem. It should be hold here, but the sticker is too big. Where it is? I have here a small. Where is the disc? Okay. Then on this ring we fix this, and the other we fix on the other side of this disc. And hope so now. Can we? Oh, this is too far away, I think so. Now it's better. And now it's running without a deck. And can we go to play? We go to play. What does it play? Can be play, huh? Speaker A. And what is speaker A? Volume. Look, I found this little thing, and now that's the idea, huh? It plays now, I hope so. But there is no sound out, no sound. The VR1 is dead. It's dead. It's near dead. It's 79L12. What can that be? I must search a plan. Yes, what I found out is a very interesting thing, and I'm not happy about this, but this power supply, I have no negative voltage here on the regulator, and the diode and capacitors are dividing the sinus wave into things. But this is a 12 volt 1800 milliampere power supply, but not AC. Not AC. Here it's written AC on the back side. Look, you can see this. This is AC 1 ampere, and it is written. It's working with the AC. It's never working with DC because there you can have no minus voltage in case of this switching regulator. What I found is here a 12 volt power supply, and I would like to connect it with a cable, but this have a small issue. The connector is wrong. I must mounting other connector. So this we're gonna do now. I mean, who can that know that the regulator is wrong? Who knows this? That the power supply is wrong. Cutting this off, and I have in my storage one. I must have a watch. Here we are. I hope so. The thing helps. Is it connectable? Yes, it works. I think this is an interesting repair Nobody knows that doesn't have a wrong power supply. And we are cutting these leads, not off, we're cutting the plastic, and we insert this here. Normally you should insert it first and then cut it off. And then we need how that can be possible? Is this are we living in a so extreme wrong world that nobody knows what power supply are for use? I mean, I'm doing this here now on the corner. So no, come on, hurry up. It was switched off. Normally it's not switched off, but you can see it's extreme. Why is this so? They don't have any idea to... I'm cutting the... So, now I solder here. The question is now. Now I have the AC 12 volts, but I don't know if the power supply is too strong or not too strong. It's not warm. But we have here a lot of distortion. Maybe we should change these electrolytical cups in case of this. Look, the diode here is also... I mean, how much is this? We make a stop, we freeze it, and we measure it. What is 500 millivolts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiple 2.5 volt. Is that true or no? Hey, come on. Measure, no. Measure, range, measure. Cursor, oh no. Who is the cursor? Going back. Measure, source. No, source. Add, delete. Now we measure minimum, maximum, huh? 1.4 volts, and minimum 1.2, peak to peak 2.66 volts, peak to peak 2.6 volts. It's a lot, huh? Oh, cursor, we can also need the cursor, voltage, yes. We need the A. Then we go to the B. Yeah, it's 2.6 volts, huh? Around. This is this is not good. 2.6 volts. For 12 volts. Yeah, it's difficult. We change it. Now it's interesting. Here we have a connection. Okay. Let's disconnect this and this Schnappi and this Schnappi. Must be Schnapp away and this Schnappi. I hope so. I can my laser system. And here we have also a Schnappi. Okay. Yeah, it's good built. I mean, we must disconnect it from here, and from here. Okay. And then we can fold it out, I think so. Oh, super. No, without any things. Yeah, the drive we must disconnect here. Look at the drive. It's not so easy. come on, go out of here. Okay, then the, or can I put this here? Okay, I put this here, looks better. Now the back side. super made, huh? Look, 1, 2, Schnappi, and 3 Schnappi, and here in the middle is also a Schnappi. The center Schnappi. So. And here, oh, we have here also, oh no, it's not so easy to get that word out. So. Can it be? Oh, here is also a Schnappi. Schnappi number 3, and we release it. Look, this is interesting. Is this broken? No, it's not broken. This was the switch for here. Is the switch for here. Don't lose them. Now we should desolder the capacitors. In case of what? In case of that it's not. I'm not sure. Here's also the antenna connector is also corrosion. I mean, here is a lot of corrosion and bad solder joints. Wow. Everywhere where you're looking. You also. I hope so I make no short. So I cannot fix this. I don't found the issue. If I make a failure by myself, here all corroded. They can give Philips the hand. I know. it's a bad speech, but change day in this year where they built that the solder to the non-lead, that can also be. They would like to do it for nature and so on, but also the other channel also not working. That can be lot of defect solder joints, lot of. You cannot believe how much. So I have here found this 2225 from Samsung. Samsung. Trust them. It's very funny to say trust them. I hope so I can fix this problem. The first issue was the power supply, and I hope so they don't destroy this machine with the DC voltage. I cannot believe, but okay. It's not cutting the leads and point it with 1 point. In case of this is 1 time changed. We start the CD again and listen to the sound. It's the right side doesn't work. I have it now on here, on the right side here. Also distortion signal outside, you can hear. If I jump with the drag, it's working. Back. I think so, it doesn't switch correct. Also, but what can switch inside this machine? There is no schematic plan, and also you see the display. Turning now off the light, then you can see the display maybe. I think this is not anywhere to repair with no spare parts. You see it? It's dark. I must switch off the complete light. Then you can see it. Yes. Little bit complete. You see, the display is also very weak and cannot do it anymore. I can do nothing. I can switch off my screen now. Switch off the screen. Now you can understand what's happened with it. No spare parts available. This machine is now 30 years old. For sure. That was the BOSE model number 5, lifestyle model number 5 from 1993 September, and it's 30 years old, the machine. And furthermore, the power supply was wrong connected, so I cannot repair this. In case of the display is also totally weak, we can see nothing on the display. Only in the totally dark you see a little bit that the numbers are jumping, but the display is also not changeable and not available as spare parts. I like this BOSE machine. It's a super thing if it works, and also the CD player not working and the tuner not working, and yeah, the output, the right side is also not working. What shall I say? Service manual, it's not complete. In case of that, I cannot searching through the plan what I want. There is a text. I should read the text sidewise. For what they do this, I don't know. I don't understand. You can copy also this if you want. Everything is copyable. Okay. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.